travel natin is Manila going to Malaysia. And then, babalik naman tayo sa Manila. So, mag-start tayo ng Malaysia balik tayo ng Manila. And then, business class. Okay. So, ang travel natin is Manila going to Malaysia. And then flight ulit natin is Malaysia going to Manila.